Hey guys, happy Monday. If you heard the news over the weekend, you did hear that unfortunately we will not be returning back to school this year and we will be continuing distance learning for the remainder of the year. It's a little bittersweet because I really did want to see all you guys, but obviously they made a decision that is for the best. I will try and work something out, but no promises yet. We have our Fridays at 11. Yeah, so that was probably the biggest announcement of the weekend. We are also starting measurement this week. So today we're going to start with volume. I also have opened and created a 4th grade for ST Math. If you have finished the challenge and you want to go ahead and see what the content is for 4th grade ST Math, you can let me know. If not, you can continue on Prodigy. You would just be previewing it because come August when we return and you guys are in 4th grade, you will have to start over. So it does not save any work, so it's up to you. I did create the class. You're going to have to enter your password as you are when you go on ST Math, but then you want to hit 4th grade or hit new somewhere. If you're having difficulties, contact me today on Dojo and I can see about walking through, because I created the class, but I'm not really 100% sure that because you guys are not on school property, if I'm able to link you guys to my 4th grade class. So try to attempt it. If you run into problems or speed bumps, let me know if you are attempting it, and we'll see what we can do and if it is going to be feasible to get you guys on in 4th grade SC if you are interested. And remember, that's for anyone who has finished challenge. That's pretty much the announcements for today. Go ahead and get started with the work. Oh, one more big announcement. Miss Gilbert wanted to let me know. I'm sure it's on Miss Backus, but just in case, if you have not gone to her digital class yet and you're here for me first, I did put the link to the directions on how to vote for Sunshine State Book of the Year. Watch the video and then it'll show you how to get to where her module is and how to vote for the book. And it is due by this Wednesday, so you want to try and do it today. All right, that's all I have for today. You guys have a good day and have fun learning about volume.